Hi, you guys remember the times when we watch movies and music videos on DVD players? Well, that has changed because now we have everything at our fingertips thanks to technology and technological advancements that have changed our lives and will never stop surprising us. With this in mind, let's talk about the top 10 future technologies that will change the world. Now, have to talk about is going to change the way you see the world. Mixed reality is the merging of real and virtual worlds to produce new environments and visualizations where physical and digital objects can coexist and interact in real time. Now, the past few decades of computing and the internet have been limited to flat 2D screens on laptops, tablets, and smartphones. But the rise of mixed reality means that society will soon move beyond the screen, where the user interface won't be a flat piece of glass, but the physical 3D space in which we live and move around. Now, a famous example of mixed reality is the Pokemon Go, in which millions of people would walk miles per day around their cities to capture digital monsters. Now, with this, an entirely new type of location specific storytelling and entertainment will become possible. Well, generative adversarial networks are just like the shopkeepers who generate fake copies of the shoes, and you are the discriminator network that tries to distinguish between the fake and the branded shoes. Now, the basic idea behind this technology is for the generative model to try to trick the discriminator model. Now, it does this by creating things and refining its style until the discriminator model can no longer spot the difference between the generated fake object and the real object. Now, how is this technology used in the real world? This technology can be used to create new anime characters based on existing characters, and more importantly, it can be used to train a self-driving car by creating fake accident scenarios and training it to avoid such collisions. Now, such an advancement will definitely make sure that the self-driven cars are the future of personal transportation system. Now, the last technology that I'm going to talk about is going to change the way you see the computer vision. Now, the main aim of this technology is to make machines see the visual world and interpret it as a human would. Now, let me tell you that we have surpassed this goal, and now through computer vision, machines can see things that humans cannot, such as temperature, air quality, etc. Now, in the recent years, there have been a lot of advancements in computer vision, especially in the field of image processing. Now, this is used in self-driving cars, and apart from that, the filters that we use on our Instagram pictures are also a part of computer vision. Now, this is one of the most growing technologies in today's world, and with further advancements in this field, we'll definitely be able to train our computer to do everything. Now, have you ever been fooled into buying a fake pair of shoes? Well, generative adversarial networks are just like the shopkeepers who generate fake copies of the shoes, and technology I'm going to talk about is the 5th generation wireless mobile networks, which will provide 10 times faster communication, and it can handle 1,000 times more traffic than the 4G LTE. Now, let me tell you an astonishing fact about this network. The expected maximum speed of 5G networks is 20 GB per second. Now, that is sufficient enough to download 10 to 12 movies in just 1 second. Now, unlike before when mobile networks were used to handle cell phones through which we just browse the web and send a few text messages, but times have changed and now we have HD streaming smartphones, smart watches, self-driving cars, smart appliances, which require a better and faster mobile network like the 5th generation wireless network. Now let's talk about computer vision. Now, the main aim of this technology is to make machines see the visual world and interpret it as a human would. Now, let me tell you that we have surpassed this goal, and now through computer vision, machines can see things that humans cannot, such as. So, if you want to stay up to date with the future technologies, you'll have to know these fundamentals. And at EduReka, comment section, and we'll get back to you with the course details at the earliest. So, guys, that's it for today's video.